Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make an RPG adventure game. So let's start. So first things first, delete the scratch cat. We will paint a new sprite. Go to costumes. We'll convert to bitmap. Zoom in. We'll use the rectangle tool. Outline. Hold down shift. And then drag it like that big. That's big. Okay, that could work. And then we'll fill it with a color you want. I'll pick like a cyan color. And then we'll paint the eyes like this and this. And then we'll duplicate this. And then we'll name this first. We'll name this down. Just follow me. And then we will cover the eyes with this. And then we'll change this to up. And then we'll duplicate this. We'll call this right. And then here we'll put this out. And we'll fill this right here. Just follow me. And then we'll select this. Only this. Okay. And then we will use arrow keys to move it right. Okay. Okay. There you go. And then we'll duplicate this. We'll flip horizontal. And then we'll name this left. And then we'll go to code, events. When green flag clicked, we will go to X, 0, Y, 0. And we will switch costume to down and forever. If else, key up arrow pressed, no, key down arrow pressed, we will change Y by -4. Then we'll switch costume to down. We'll duplicate this. Up arrow, switch costume to up, change Y by 4. And then duplicate these two. Actually, we'll put an if here. Okay. If left arrow, if right arrow pressed, we'll put this out. We will change X by 4, switch costume to right. And then here we'll change X by -4. And then we will switch costume to left. So that should work. Okay, our character can move around. That's what we want. So now we'll call this player. And then we will make a new sprite. Paint it. We'll go to costumes. And then let's go to stage first. We will fill it with a nice grass backdrop. Here. Fill there. And then go back here. I'll name this object, and then I will draw a basic house, normal house, outline black, 3, 4, okay, just draw a simple house, here, then draw, okay, and then we'll fill this with, I would say, wait, like this. We'll use the reshape tool to make it like a triangle. There you go. And we'll add a door. And then I will add some trees. Copy this color. Outline. The tree. We'll copy paste it. We hold shift. There you go. Then we'll duplicate this. Copy paste. And then we'll change the size. Horizontal. And we'll paste. Nice big tree. There you go. And then we'll name this 0, 0. We'll see what happens later. And then we'll make new backdrop, new costume. I'll name this 1, 0. We'll delete this. And then make trees. It takes time. We'll go to x0, y0. So now we have 2. Then we'll duplicate this. We'll call this negative 1, 0. We'll put it horizontal. This big tree. Okay, and then we'll duplicate. And then in here, I will add black color so they can't pass through here. Okay, and then in here too. And then in here, make it simple. And in here, can't go here. And then go to 0, 0. Actually, we will duplicate this, copy, paste, copy, paste, paste, one more copy, and we paste, and there you go. So let's go to code, to the player, and then we'll add another code. One green flag clicked, we'll make a variable, we'll call this X for all sprites, Y for all sprites. We'll hide this. We will set X and Y to 0 and forever. If so, let's go here. We'll move this house a little to the left. Okay. And then we'll put it here. So that is 237. Wait, let me check that again. Yeah, 237. If X position is more than 236, we will go to X negative 236 and Y position. Let's try that. And then if I go left, is it the same? Yes, it's the same. So let's do that. If X position is less than negative 236, we'll go to X 236, Y position, and then here we will change X by 1, change X by negative 1. Actually, we don't need Y. So, yeah. And then that's part 1. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.